Bestie, we're doing a full phone case haul, so let's get into it. Okay, so my current phone right now is the iPhone 14 Plus in the color Starlight. I got the 128 gigabytes. Girl, I love this phone now. I love the color as well, but I love cause any case can go with this phone, cause it's technically like a white color. I love this phone down. I love the color of this. Now my first case is this coffee case, bestie. Y'all know I love iced coffee down, and this case is only $15. I never bought a case so fast. I love this case down. It got frappuccinos, it got hot coffee, it got cappuccinos, it have coffee milkshakes. It just have all type of coffee. In this case, it's like an off-brand Caseify case, but I love this case now, and it's so protective. I love this case now. And my second, which Caseify, this is my pink Caseify case. It's pink and have little metal shapes, so a star, a heart, super duper cute. I love this case now. I love the color of it. And one thing I do love about these cases, girl, I always have my phone protected. My cases every 4 to 5 months. So yeah. And then my next one, which this is my favorite one, girl. This case just screams summer. It has blue, it has some purple, it has some pink, it has some orange, and the back of it is this pretty purple case, girl. I love this case now. You let me know, girl, what phone case you have now, besties. And until next time.